Aha! I'll just search it on YouTube.
I know that you are struggling in your math lesson all about arithmetic sequence and arithmetic means. But worry no more, because we are going to help you understand all your lessons. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. But don't forget to take notes and digest all the learnings that you have gone through this video. So let's get started.
Good day everyone. Today we will tackle the topic arithmetic sequence. Now, what is an arithmetic sequence? An arithmetic sequence is a sequence where every term after the first is obtained by adding a constant called the common difference. And that common difference is the difference between two consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. Here is the often used formula. D equals nth term minus 8 times n minus 1, where D is the common difference, n is the term position, nth term is the value of the last term, and 8 times n minus 1 is the value of the term just before the last term. Here are some examples. Here, you can see the sequence which contains the values of 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. By using the formula D equals nth term minus 8 times n minus 1, we can substitute 9 as the nth term and 7 as n times a minus 1. Here is another example, where the given are only the first, second, and last term. We can use the formula D equals the second term minus the first term in this situation. Other situations will have other term values. Now, let's use the formula and substitute 3 as the second term and 1 as the first term. We subtract. Then, we get the common difference of 2. Now for the last example. In my opinion, this should be the formula that you should memorize. As you can see, the values given in the sequence are only the first and last terms. We could use the formula D is equal to nth term minus a sub k over n minus k, where nth term is the last term, a sub k as the first term, lastly, n and k as the term positions. Now, we will substitute 9 to the nth term, 1 to a sub k, 5 to n, and 1 to k. We subtract and divide, then we will get the common difference of 2. Next is the arithmetic sequence formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied to d, where a sub 1 is the first term, n is the term position, d is the common difference, and a sub n as the nth term. Here is another example where we are tasked to find the 12th term. The given are the first term, which is 5, the term position, which is 12, and the common difference, which is 4. Now we will substitute each of the given into the formula, and we will get the answer 49. That's it for our topic. Thanks for listening, and on to the next topic.
Hello everyone, my name is HEINRICH and in this we're gonna talk about arithmetic means. So what are arithmetic means? Arithmetic means are the terms between given terms of our arithmetic sequence. So here's the first example. What is the arithmetic mean between 90 and 100? So first we need to know what is the given. A sub 1 or the first term is equals to 90. A sub 2 is missing. A sub n or the last term is 100. N or the number of terms are 3. And the difference is unknown. After knowing the given, first we need to find d, or the difference. So the formula is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus parenthesis n minus 1 parenthesis d. Then we substitute the given, so it becomes 100 is equals to 90 plus parenthesis 3 minus 1 parenthesis d. After that, we need to transfer 90 to the left side, so we must subtract 90 from both sides. Then simplify 3 minus 1, it becomes 2 and d. Then it becomes 10 is equals to 2d. We need to divide 2 so we can cancel the 2 in the right side, so it becomes 5 is equals to d, or the difference is 5. After knowing the difference, we need to solve for a sub 2, and the simple formula for getting the a sub 2 is a sub 2 is equals to a sub 1 plus the difference, so it becomes a sub 2 is equals to 90 plus 5. Then a sub 2 is equals to 95, and this is the final answers. A sub 1 is equals to 90, a sub 2 is equals to 95, a sub n is equals to 100, n is equals to 3, and d, or the difference, is equals to 5. Now we have the second problem. Insert 3 arithmetic means between 2 and 10. For the given, a sub 1 is equal to 2, a sub 2, 3, and 4 is unknown, a sub 5 is equals to 10, d is unknown, n is equal to 5. To solve for d, here is the formula. A sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 is parenthesis d. After that, substitute the given. So it becomes 10 is equals to 2 plus parenthesis 5 minus 1 parenthesis d. After that, we need to transfer 2 to the left side and simplify 5 minus 1. So it becomes 10 minus 2 is equals to 4d. To cancel out 4 in the right side, we need to divide both sides by 4. So it becomes 8 divided by 4 is equals to 4d divided by 4. So the answer is 2 is equals to d. To solve for a sub 2, 3, and 4, we have this formula. A sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus parenthesis n minus 1 parenthesis d. Then we substitute. So it becomes a sub 2 is equals to 2 plus parenthesis 2 minus 1 parenthesis 2. Then simplify, it becomes a sub 2 is equals to 2 plus 2. Then a sub 2 is equals to 4. Same process for a sub 3 and a sub 4. For the final answer, the arithmetic means between 2 and 10 are 4, 6, and 8. So the whole sequence is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. The third and the last example. Insert the next arithmetic mean after 6 in this arithmetic sequence. 3, 6, 9, 69. The given, a sub 1 is equals to 3, a sub 2 is equal to 6, a sub 3 is equal to 9, a sub 4 is unknown, a sub n is 69, n is unknown, d is unknown. So for d, we have the formula. A sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus a parenthesis n minus 1 parenthesis d. After that, we need to substitute. So it becomes 69 is equals to 3 plus parenthesis 23 minus 1 parenthesis d. So after that, we need to transfer 3 to the left side, and we need to simplify the 23 minus 1. So it becomes 69 minus 3 equals to 22d. Then simplify 69 minus 3. It becomes 66 is equals to 22d. And we need to cancel 22 on the right side, so we need to divide both sides by 22. Then after that, the final answer is 3 is equals to d. To find for n, we can use this formula. The last term divided by the first term. So 69 divided by 3 is equals to 23. So our n is 23. Now that we know the n, or the number of terms, we can solve for a sub 4. The formula is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus a parenthesis n minus 1 parentheses D. After knowing that formula, we need to substitute the given. So it becomes a sub 4 is equals to 3 plus parentheses 4 minus 1 parentheses 3. After that, we need to simplify the equation inside the parentheses. So it becomes a sub 4 is equals to 3 plus 3 times 3. Then a sub 4 is equal to 3 plus 9. And then the final answer is a sub 4 is equal to 12. And these the final answers. A sub 1 is equal to 3, a sub 2 is equal to 6, a sub 3 is equal to 9, a sub 4 is equal to 12, a sub n is equal to 69, and n, or the number of terms, are 23, and the difference is 3.
We discussed the arithmetic sequence, the nth term of the sequence, and the arithmetic mean. And now we will apply all these lessons by making real-life world problems. First example. After knee surgery, your trainer tells you to return to the jogging program slowly. He suggests 10 minutes each for the first week. Each week thereafter, he suggests you to increase that time by 8 minutes. Find how many minutes you still doing jog in 12 weeks. The given is a sub 1 is equal to 10 minutes, d is equal to 8 minutes, and n is equal to 12 weeks. The solution is we need to follow this formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the difference of n minus 1 times d. By substitute all the values, a sub 12 is equal to 10 plus the difference of 12 minus 1 times 8. Then, by following the PEMDAS rule, 12 minus 1 is equal to 11, 11 times 8 is equal to 88, and 10 plus 88 is equal to 98. Therefore, I jogged 98 minutes in 12 weeks. Second example. A construction company will be penalized each day of delay in construction of bridge. The penalty will be 20,000 pesos for the first delay, and will increase by 2,500 pesos for each of the following days. After 10 days, the bridge was finally constructed. Find the sum of money they need to pay after finish construct the bridge. The given is a sub 1 is equal to 20,000, d, or the common difference, is equal to 2,500, and n, or the number of terms, is equal to 10. Solution. To find the last term, we need to follow this formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the difference of n minus 1 times d. By substitute all the values, a sub 10 is equal to 20,000 plus the difference of 10 minus 1 times 2,500. By following the PEMDAS rule, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9, 9 times 2,500 is equal to 22,500, and 20,000 plus 22,500 is equal to 42,500. To find the sum of money they need to pay is by apply this formula. S sub n is equal to n divided by 2 times the sum of a sub 1 plus a sub n. By substitute all the values, S sub 10 is equal to 10 divided by 2 times the sum of 20,000 plus 42,000. By following the PEMDAS rule, 20,000 plus 42,000 is equal to 62,500 times 5 is equal to 312,500. Therefore, the total money they need to pay after finish construct the bridge is 312,500 pesos. The last example. Hannah is a fan of K-pop called AB6. She's planned to save money for the upcoming album on the next couple weeks. On the first week, she saved 200 pesos. The album cost 1,450 pesos. After 6 weeks, she saved enough money to buy the album. What is her savings on the second week, third week, fourth week, and fifth week? The given is
A sub 1 or the first term is equal to 200, A sub n or the last term is equal to 1450, and n or the number of terms is equal to 6. The solution is, we need to find the common difference, and to find it we need to follow this formula. D is equal to A sub n minus A sub 1 over n minus 1. By substitute all the values, D is equal to 1450 minus 200 over 6 minus 1. Next, D is equals to 1250 divided by 5, and D is equals to 250. To find the savings in each week, we need to follow this formula. A sub 2 is equal to the previous term, or the A sub 1 plus the common difference. Substitute all the values. 200 plus 250, and A sub 2 is equals to 450 pesos. Same process for the A sub 3 is equal to A sub 2 plus the common difference. And 450 plus 250 pesos is equal to 700 pesos. A sub 4 is equal to A sub 3 plus the common difference, and substitute all the values. 700 plus 250, and A4 is equal to 950 pesos. And for the A sub 5 or the 5th week, A sub 4 plus the common difference, and substitute all the values. 950 plus 250, and A sub 5 is equals to 1,200 pesos. Therefore, Hannah's savings on second week is 450 pesos, on the third week is 700 pesos, on the fourth week is 950 pesos, and on the fifth week is 1,200 pesos.
So that's it for today. We hope that you have understand all about the arithmetics. So don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel to watch more math tutorials. Bye-bye!
Thanks for helping me. I got A+ on my test.